Electronic devices and electrical equipment can produce emissions that interfere with circuits. Electromagnetic compatibility, or EMC, is about preventing this problem from happening. Whether the emissions are conducted or radiated, EMC is an important part of electronic design, and Z-axis can help. Conducted emissions come from the line cord or wires leaving a device. These cords and wires can act like antennas that radiate electromagnetic energy. Radiated emissions are radio waves that are emitted into the air. If these emissions are excessive, your device can interfere with other electronic devices. At Z-axis, we tackle EMC problems at their source by helping to improve your design so that there's less electromagnetic interference, or EMI, in the first place. That's a different approach from design houses where the default solutions are expensive, quick fixes, such as a metal enclosure. For example, if your electronic design needs to reduce conducted emissions, our engineers may recommend creating an input filter that consists of common mode chokes, differential chokes, X-caps, and Y-caps. If your design needs to reduce radiated emissions instead, we may recommend shielded cables. Ferrite beads, snubbers, and capacitors are also potential solutions. Importantly, Z-axis has an in-house laboratory for EMC testing. With our EMI chamber, we can perform pre-certification testing far less expensively. That's important since most designs fail EMC testing the first time. Our in-house lab has other equipment as well. To test conducted emissions, we use our line impedance stabilization network, or LISTEN. To test radiated emissions, we use an antenna in both horizontal and vertical mode. Z-axis also has a spectrum analyzer. It's like a very sensitive radio detector that sweeps a spectrum and analyzes it one frequency at a time. Whether you're designing products for consumer, commercial, medical, or industrial applications, Z-axis is ready to help you turn down the electronic noise and achieve electromagnetic compatibility.